Okay, the interquartile range for this data set, I found it by ordering the data from least to greatest. Then I found the median. Then using the left half of the data, found the first quartile. Right half of the data, found the third quartile. First quartile is 73. The third quartile is 101. The interquartile range is the distance between them. And that's 28. 101 minus 73 is 28. And that's choice 2. Okay. Now, number 12 is something that we actually haven't talked about. It's a word that we haven't talked about. The word is causal. That's not the word casual. Okay, casual is C-A-S-U-A-L. It's not the word casual. It's the word causal. Okay, and it's pronounced causal, and the base word is cause, like cause and effect. When there's a causal relationship between two things, that means that one thing causes the other to happen. Okay, so let's look at the possible answers here. Which situation describes a correlation that is not a causal relationship? So that means it's two things where one does not cause the other one to happen. Okay, I'm going to start at the bottom, and you'll see why in a minute. The distance to reach the destination and the amount of gasoline used. So in other words, do these two things affect each other? Does one cause the other one to change? So if a destination is further away, does that cause there to be more gasoline used? Yes. There's a direct link here. If you increase the destination length, the amount of gas is going to go up. And it's because it's further away. You know, there's that word, because. It's causing it. The amount of exercise you do each week and the time it takes to run a mile. Does the amount of exercise you do affect the time it takes you to run a mile? Yes. The more you exercise, likely that it's going to cause the time it takes you to run a mile to go down, right? There's an effect. One thing is like affects the other one, connects with it, causes it to change. Hours spent studying and test score. Does this affect this? Yes. The more hours you spend studying, likely the test score is going to go up. One thing affects the other one, causes the other one to change. And then car color and number of car accidents. Does the color of your car cause the number of accidents to go up? I think the answer here is pretty basically no. You might be able to make some very minimal loose argument or something, but in general, the color of your car is not affecting the number of car accidents. So the answer is choice 1. This is the one where there's no real connection between the two. So that's it. It's not causal. One does not cause a change in the other one.